next song is a new song that I'm working on, so this will be the first time for human ears to hear it, and also again for the cats. So this song is about bees and how they live in their beehive. So for me it's really something spectacular that somehow they know which one is the queen bee, which ones are the little bees that don't go out to pick up the pollen from the flowers. So this song is written, again it's in Latvian, so that's why I'm explaining you the story in detail. It's about that you're a queen bee and you want to maybe also fly and pick up the, is it pollen? Yeah, pollen from the flowers, but you cannot do it because you have to stay at home and you just wait for all the work bees to pick the pollen. So this is kind of invitation. The bee is saying, "Can you bring also some pollen to me, and let's enjoy it together." That's the idea.
Bišu stropā, visas bites sasadušas, atnes man kaut mazu mīļu vairāk. Es tak negribu tev lūgties, atnes man kaut mazu mīļu, siltā, jauka medru diena. Lūdzu, es lūdzu, es tak negribu tev lūgties, atnes man kaut mazu mīļu, siltā, jauka medru diena. Lūdzu, es tak neiešu tev lūgties, atnes man kaut medru dienu, siltā, jauka medru diena. Lūdzu, es lūdzu, lūdzu, es lūdzu.
Okay, but now to some serious stuff. This song is about cocktails. So can everybody get around it? I'm just kidding. So, yeah, that's all you need to know. this moment to say thank you for Magda for inviting me. And it has been my pleasure to be here. First time I came here was maybe in my first or second year of conservatory. That was 1960. Just kidding. It was 10 years ago. And I went to this Jeffrey's Underground Cinema, and it's really like a circle moment for me. And I'm here after 10 years.
Jeffrey's still there.
I will finish one last song. It's called Magazine Lover, and there's audience participation moment. Yay! So this song is, as you can tell, I like animals. So we had the cats, we had the bees, and now we will have birds. So at the end of the song, it's like a moment that birds take over the evil humans, not us. And basically the good wins the evil. So that's the moment at the end. I will look at you. That's the moment where you will make bird sounds. So no singing, unfortunately, just bird sounds. Thank you very much.
Magazine lover, restful pelican is on her shoulder. Tiny little oligarch, seagull circling around his forehead. Magazine lover, the pelican is making nest right above your shoulder. Tiny little oligarch, the seagull's plucking out the last hair on your forehead. Your head will hurt now that your hair is weaved into a bird's nest. Your head will hurt. They're plucking out the seams of your golden skirt. Your head will hurt. Your suit's flying in the grip of a broken bird. Your head will hurt. Your head will hurt. Magazine lover, oh such a pain, we are drawn into all of this. Tiny little oligarch, oh such a shame, we are drawn into all of this. Tiny little oligarch, my frown like cracks will bite open my forehead.